Gallery Walk of the Evolution of Man. Dryopithecus lived in 12.5 to 11.1 million years ago. These are deemed to be the ancestors of both man and apes. They lived in China, Africa, Europe, and India. The genus Dryopithecus refers to the oak wood apes. When Dryopithecus was alive, the tropical lowlands which it inhabited were densely forested, so the members could have predominantly been herbivores. Ramapithecus lived in 12 to 14 million years ago. Their first remains were discovered from the Shevalik Range in Punjab and later in Africa and Saudi Arabia. They lived in the open grasslands. Two pieces of evidence confirm their hominid status. First is thickened tooth enamel, robust jaws, and shorter canines. Number 2. Usage of hands for food and defense and extrapolations of upright postures. Australopithecus lived in 4.4 million to 1.4 million years ago. The fossils of this genus was first discovered in 1924 in South Africa. They lived on the ground, used stones as weapons, and walked erect. They were 4 feet tall and weighed 60 to 80 pounds. Homo erectus lived in 1.89 million and 110,000 years ago. The first fossils of Homo erectus was found in Java in 1891. These were named as Pithecanthropus erectus. These were considered as the missing link between the man and apes. Another discovery made in China was the Peking man. This specimen had large cranial capacities and is believed to have lived in communities. Homo erectus used tools comprising quartz. Tools made of bones and wood were also discovered. There is evidence of collective huntings. There is also evidence of the use of fire. The Homo erectus is believed to dwell in caves. Homo sapiens neanderthalensis lived in 400,000 to 40,000 years ago. The Homo erectus evolved into Homo sapiens. During evolution, two subspecies of Homo sapiens were identified: Homo sapien neanderthal and Homo sapiens sapiens. The cranial capacity of Neanderthal grew from 1,200 to 1,600 cc. From small hand axes had also been discovered. These species of hominids could hunt big names such as mammoths. Homo sapiens sapiens lived in 3,000 years ago to present. The remains of Homo sapiens were first discovered in Europe and were named Cro-Magnon. In this, the jaws are quite reduced. The modern man's chin appeared and the skull was rounded. Their cranial capacity was about 1,350 cc. They gathered food through hunting. Art first appeared during this time. This is how evolution took place.